Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, we are here with the cruise news for February the 8th of 2022. You know, the cruise news has been pretty quiet here the last couple days. Not a whole bunch of bad news. Not a whole lot going on cruise news-wise here in the last few days. But I do have two cruise stories for you today. First is going to be the Celebrity Beyond. Well, she has completed her sea trials and is now one step closer to her initial voyage on April the 27th of 2022, where she will join her two sister ships, Celebrity Edge and the Celebrity Apex. And we also have some less than positive news for the city of Mobile, Alabama, which is going to be without a Carnival Cruise Line cruise ship for 11 months. So we talked about it in a previous video. The Carnival Ecstasy is going to be moving to Mobile, Alabama, and is going to sail out of Mobile, Alabama until this October here in 2022. Then the Carnival Ecstasy is going to be leaving the Carnival fleet. Once the Carnival Ecstasy leaves Mobile and leaves the Carnival fleet, according to Christine Duffy, Carnival has no intentions of sending another cruise ship to Mobile, Alabama for 11 months. So between October the 15th of 2022 and September of 2023, no Carnival cruising out of Mobile, Alabama. However, Carnival is planning to return to Mobile, Alabama after September of 2023 once they adjust and get all of their operations exactly how they want it. So like I said, not such good cruise news for the folks that like to sail out of Mobile, Alabama. You still have some cruising you can do this year, but the majority of 2023, there's not going to be any Carnival cruising out of Mobile, Alabama. So if that is the cruise port you like to sail from on Carnival, well, you're going to have to go, one of the two other directions there, either over to Florida to sail from there, or over to New Orleans or Galveston in order to catch one of your closest Carnival cruise ships to your area. But like I said, according to Christine Duffy, cruising will return to Mobile, Alabama. It just won't be until the latter half of 2023. And that's our cruise news for today. Like I said, it has been really quiet. Not a whole lot going on in the cruising world right now. But we are preparing for our upcoming cruise. 6 more days before we are on Royal Caribbean's Adventure of the Seas, sailing out of Galveston. We are ready to go. We've got our drink packages. We got the Wi-Fi packages all taken care of and set up. We have our home COVID test here at the house. We'll be doing that on Saturday, 2 days prior to sailing, and then heading down to the cruise port on Sunday, the 13th, before we get on the cruise ship the following day. Super excited. Like I said, this is our first Royal Caribbean cruise. So we're really looking forward to seeing how it differs from a Carnival cruise, whether it's better, whether it's the same, or whether it's worse. How do they compare to each other? Well, that is one of the things that we are going to go find out. But I've been watching some videos on Royal Caribbean ships, watching some other content creators who have been on Royal Caribbean ships, and I'm getting real excited to go on Royal Caribbean. I really want to check it out. I really want to experience that one as well. Of course, we will be videoing. We'll have plenty to show you guys when we get there, because like always, we of course will take you guys along on our journeys. But 6 more days before we can get to that. All right, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, hit that like button. Have yourself a great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.